Does it work? Okay. So this is before and after rhinoplasty, and this is just one of the views. As you can see, we've done work on the radix, work on the tip, work on the dorsum osteotomy. Now I'm going to show you some other views. Okay, I'm going to come back to that. Okay, the basal view, please. All right. Gonna cover this side and the first view.